Hi, welcome back to the website. This past week we've been talking about the letters P, Q, R, S, and T. Your child should be able to see these letters, recognize them, and tell us the sound. We've also been working on rhyming words, remembering that the ending sounds the same in both of the words. We've been working with beginning sounds. So if I gave your child the word bug, they could tell me that the beginning sound is B. In math, we finished up chapter 2, which was our numbers 0 through 5, counting them, coloring that many, writing the numbers. We started and we went back to chapter 1, and in chapter 1 we've been talking about sorting objects based on size, color, shape, and we'll be continuing working on that for this next week. In social studies, we've been talking all about me. We've learned all the things that make us unique and different. We've also been talking about our families. We've talked and learned about what month our birthday is in, trying to learn our address to our house, and even starting to think about what we would like to be when we grow up. Thanks for visiting the website. I hope you have a great week, and we will see you next weekend.